Today I'm looking at the Ring Doorbell. Yes, the famous Ring Doorbell. So it's making a quick video just to show you a little bit about this device. Comes in a small box like that. That little noise you hear in the background is basically telling me that someone is there, and it's actually set it up. I had an old Ring account, and I had to go back in and verify the whole account. I haven't used it in years, and I had to upload my license, and I had to shoot my face. It was really cool. A lot of good security built into this device. I just wanted to show you about this device itself. This is the box it comes in. It does come with the sticker. As you can see, you can put on the door. Also comes with a USB-A to USB-C charger. This is battery operated, so you can charge this up. Also comes with a tool. There's a release tool to get in there to, take it off and on when you want to recharge your system. Long way over the years with the innovation. You can just see how small and flat it is. Really, really nice. It's got motion detection. It's super smart. It has AI built into this, which is fantastic. I was on my couch just, fooling around with it, playing with the camera, and it says someone's sitting on the couch. So it sees the couch. It sees who the people are. It can actually identify, which is pretty spooky in my book. So here's the back of it here. This is the USB-C port, goes right here to charge it. That's where it goes. And under here is 2 screws if you want to hardwire it. If you have a power source, here's 2 screws under here that you can actually hardwire this if you want to, if you don't want to recharge it all the time. It's up to you. Get several months out of it to recharge it. You'll get notification on your phone, on your app, when it has to be recharged, or you can just run a power supply to it. Either way, however you do it, it's totally up to you. So it's really simple to use. You ring the bell. Of course, it makes the ring. I get the notification on my app, and bam, it's telling me that someone's at the door, and it shows me the video. It shows me location. You can actually talk to them, and you can see here on the phone, here is my microphone, some footage here. You can see it goes right away. You can communicate, you can record. It tells you here it's a person there. It's super smart now. It's come such a long way, the technology, and I'm absolutely very impressed with this. It'll just keep blinking and flashing, and then it'll basically shut off to the next notification or the next person who walks in front of the unit or your home or wherever you have this laid out. It does come with the mounting screws as well. You just mount this anywhere you want. Then you just basically tap it in. So super easy installation, and because I haven't activated my Ring account for a long time, it did take me a little bit longer to set it up because I had to verify my identity. And maybe that's how they do it now. I'm not really sure, but I would think that's probably a smart idea to do that. I think that's a great idea. So that's what I have for you. This is a Ring Doorbell, this innovation here. This is a really nice quality. I love it. And I'm definitely going to go ahead and recommend something like this for high quality. If you're looking for high quality security, this is the one to go with. Let me just take a quick look here. Just on the specs, I think it's 1400 by 1400, so I think it's 2K quality, which is fine. They also have newer ones coming up, but honestly, for what I'm looking for from my area, I don't need 4K. I think 2K is more than enough. It should be fine. So that's what I have for you guys. So definitely go ahead and pick this up. You're going to be very happy. I think it's a great device, and I love it. Thanks for watching. I've brought you some value. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow the shopping channel for more videos just like this. Appreciate you watching. Make it a great day.